Unpeeling Idioms, the sweet essence of a peach of a person. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delightful English phrase that's as sweet as it sounds, a peach of a person. This idiom, rich in positive vibes, is not just about fruits but conveys admiration and affection towards someone. If you've ever wondered what makes someone a peach, stick around as we explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. When someone is described as a peach of a person, it means they are exceptionally good, kind, or attractive. This phrase is a juicy way to express that someone is delightful or pleasing in their nature or appearance. Just like the fruit is sweet and pleasant to taste, a person labeled as a peach is seen as sweet in character or demeanor. Understanding where idioms come from can be as fascinating as the expressions themselves. The term, a peach, originates from the way peaches have been historically seen as a luxurious and desirable fruit, symbolizing warmth, sweetness, and richness. Over time, calling someone a peach has become a metaphor for indicating that they embody these desirable qualities. Now, let's put it into practice. Using a peach of a person in sentences can add a charming touch to your conversation. Here are a few examples. My grandmother is such a peach of a person. She's always there to lend a helping hand. I met John's friend yesterday, and she's a real peach, so friendly and welcoming. Our new neighbor is a peach of a person. He helped us move our furniture in without us even asking. Notice how the phrase effortlessly conveys admiration and fondness towards the individuals being described. While a peach of a person is specific in its meaning, there are variations you can use to express a similar sentiment. Saying someone is a gem or a true treasure also signifies that you find them to be of great value or particularly wonderful. These expressions, like our peachy phrase, are heartwarming ways to acknowledge someone's goodness or worth. And that's a wrap on a peach of a person. This sweet, fruity idiom is a delightful way to express admiration or affection towards someone. Whether you're complimenting a friend's kind nature or acknowledging a stranger's act of kindness, calling them a peach highlights their positive qualities in a uniquely charming manner. We hope this video has added a juicy new phrase to your English vocabulary that you're eager to use. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying feelings and making connections. Until next time, keep exploring the richness of the English language, and may you find plenty of peaches among the people in your life.